Hey guys, welcome back. Did you just get a Cricut? I know you're so excited to try out all the things. So for today's video, I wanted to go back to basics and share with you one thing I wish I knew when I got my Cricut for the first time. That is welding. I think welding is an important one to know, especially when using cursive fonts. So in Design Space, when using the text feature, depending on the cursive font you use, you'll notice the letter space. Like this one, for example. The letter space is further out, and in my opinion, I think the letter space is important and should be brought in closer to give the word a more cohesive look. See how they're not connected? Let's connect them by going down to letter space. And to bring them in closer, you're going to click on the minus sign and click on it until the word becomes one. So even though we brought them in closer, we are not done. I'm going to ungroup them so that you can see the cut lines. If you were to send to the mat now, the Cricut will read these cut lines and cut through the material you are using, and we don't want that. So go ahead and select all and press Weld. See how it's all one word now? This is exactly what we are looking for. So you can leave this as is, but I prefer to connect them. So I'm just going to bring them up closer together, bring them up to my liking, select all, and click Weld. For this word especially, I feel like it just gives it a more cohesive look and it just looks better. So I already have a project in mind. And I'm just going to finish off the rest of the words by repeating the same process. Only I'm going to group these because I don't want any of the letters to get misplaced when figuring out sizing. Depending on your project, you're going to have to decide whether you're going to attach or weld. And when working with cursive fonts, I prefer to weld because if you attach them, all that will do is make the image become one, but the cut lines will still show. And remember, we don't want that. Especially if you're going to be working with heat transfer vinyl, this is very important to know. If you're going to do anything really that needs a word to be connected, it's better to weld versus attach. Attach will work with other things, but when working with cursive fonts, welding is the way to go. So I'm just going to repeat the process for the remaining of my words. Select all and click Weld. Well guys, I know we went back to basics with this one, but for my beginners out there, this is very important to know, so I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, turn on notifications so you don't miss out, and if you have any questions or would like to see more videos like this, leave us a comment down below and I will see you in the next video.